Today we are taking a look at this 4K projector. It has the Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth. We're gonna see what's inside this box, and then we are going to go set it up and see how everything sounds. So right off the bat, I've opened a little bit of it so we can get going here. So you're gonna get this HDMI cable right here. Comes with this remote. I actually really like this remote a lot because you got your YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus. You got it all right there, so that's really nice. This is gonna be our power cord into it, and this is gonna be our actual projector right over here. A couple things I really like about this. I've gotten a lot of projectors in the past. I love the fact that this basically has a stand, and you can just move it however you want, up or down. This also auto focuses, so if you're pulling it back or front, you don't have to worry about messing around with it or anything like that. And then this is what we have going on in the back. We're gonna have your HDMI, then we got the USB going on here. This is where you're gonna plug it in for power. We got these grippers on the bottom so nothing happens to it or it doesn't fall. And then we have this screw right here. So if you wanted to put this on a tripod, you could just screw that in and it's super easy. And then we also have our directions right over here. So I'm gonna go get this set up and we'll see how it projects. What is projected? We're using this kind of in our second living room. So you can see the picture is really, really clear. Love the fact that it could be really projected anywhere. This was just super easy to set up, really easy to use. Having the remote makes it absolutely great. If you want to kind of click here, we'll start this. You can kind of see the sound is really, really good as well. I was kind of a little concerned about that. The picture is absolutely perfect. It just feels like you're actually in a movie theater. It's kind of crazy. Just really, really like this for sure, and can't wait to do more movie nights and watch live sports on this. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review for you.